Hello all. Happy 420 all. This is Loner from Loner 420 House. November 12th, Vancouver Island. Beautiful day. Over at the go-kart track. Closed down for the season. Yeah, they closed on November 2nd. So, yeah, today would have been a beautiful day. Alright, I'll show you the mountains and sun and yep. This is our go-kart track. Very cool. On the other side used to be Broombrush Haven, if everybody remembers my old videos. This was all broom brush. And all those piles are old broom brushes. They did a good job. But we have the sun going down. 420. Sun's going down over the mountains. Beautiful. November 12th. No snow up the mountain there yet. Yeah. Alright, what a shot. Alright, signing out. Loner 420 from Loner 420 House.